Joel says, in the last day, he's now to rule my spirit upon all flesh. Without the spirit, it cannot live well. The flesh is the spirit. That is why he says, our body, let us not expose it. Let us expose. They say, what is in my heart? What is in my heart? The spirit of the devil. Don't come here naked. There is something in your heart. We must see purity in your body. Don't come and show your ugly things here, or detestable things.
You know what it is?
It is difficult.
Let it not be diluted.
I dilute.
Let it not be diluted. Let it not be diluted. In our time.
Be holy, young people. Let us be holy. Let us be the type of people that when we see the body shown outside, then we detest. Now you are walking in another way. Every fashion you follow, you do not see a fashion that comes from the pit of hell. You are walking with every fashion that comes from the pit of hell. You are following it. And you say we do not have style. No! We are too high. The problem is that we have Jesus. We have Jesus. We have Jesus. We have the Spirit. Say no more. He is teaching us. Ask for this. Say no. Not right. Listen. Wisdom. What type of spirit that